Yes, that's what happened here. You can see this right here can go
All right.
all the way, all the way.
Nice.
So with this one, you see this line right here, this right here,
Mhm.
I put it by myself.
Yeah.
And you can see that it worked. It was an experiment that I did,
Hmm.
and it actually worked out from the
Hmm.
video that I watched from a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I did, let me take it out. So that way I could show you how I did it. So this right here, we have the previous day high and the previous day low.
Hmm.
So I go in here and get my Fibonacci retracement. I put it at the previous day high all the way to the previous day low, right? Then I come in here and grab my box. Where's my box? This is my box right here. And I put it at the 70, what do you call it? 78.6 all the way to 62. Did you see that?
Hmm.
That's it. I go ahead and flip my Fibonacci retracement.
So you do it both ways.
Yes,
Okay.
I do it both ways. You got it. Do it both ways. And then this is gonna be,
62 to 78.
yeah. So I get those two right there. So you can see.
Hmm.
So did you see what happened right here?
Yeah. So you've got previous week high. You've got that
The
right
top
into
of my
that.
the top of my box,
Hmm.
that's the confluence right there. And guess what? That was exactly where the market reversed.
Right at it. Uh-huh.
And this was done before market open.
Hmm.
I've done it, I've seen it work over and over and over and over again. So for this bull run right here, for this bull run, the moment we are approaching the top of my box, see,
All right.
so if you watch, you see this bull run right here,
Hmm.
if you watch the reaction of the market at the top of this box,
Hmm.
it's going to be very interesting.
Hmm.
So I'm expecting that the market is going to reject right here.
Yeah.
And guess what? Our 200 moving average,
Hmm.
even though the market is bullish on the background,
Right.
the 200 moving average is still red.
Hmm.
That shows that what we are having is just a temporary
It's
reversal.
retracement. Yeah.
The market is yet to flip, full-time bullish.
Mhm.
So that's it.
I like that. Yeah, let me shoot me the link to this indicator. I'm curious. I'll play around with it.
Yeah, let me see. Let me show you. I can show you straight up here. This is let me share another screen. Share. What is this? What is this screenshot? Hold on 1 second. Trying to share. Okay, let me share this one.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Did I close it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
You can just hit share again.
yeah. Let me hit share again. I'm trying to get to an empty screen.
Mhm.
Okay, we're done. Let me see. Trying to get to an empty screen. Okay, I can always come back here.
Mhm.
Let me keep using this one. I can always come back here. Okay, let me use this. This is a YouTube. I'm trying to show you. The guy has a page. Leave. It's called Market Metrics.
Okay.
Market Metrics.
And it walks you through the how to use it, basically.
Yes. It's like the name of the guy is this is the guy. Yeah, this is the
That's him. Okay.
I'll get I'm trying to get the actual name. Is it the Market Metrics? Trying to get this. Okay, Simple Market Metrics. Sorry.
Simple market metrics.
Is it? Oh, no. No. Hold on 1 second. Let me get the actual name.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get the actual name. Let me get that from my inbox. Yeah. Mm, Yeah. It should be,
Simple
it should
market
say
metrics.
simple, simple, simple market metrics. Right? I know I'm subscribed to his page. I don't know why I'm come back for a retest and then the
Make it
move
long.
continues.
Mm-hmm.
Then you should be waiting for this EMA
Mm-hmm.
to flip green.
Yeah.
And then you know we're targeting perhaps the top of the market.
Sure. That's crazy. Just,
Yeah.
I mean, it's just a 1 minute candle wick, but it looks like it's rejecting literally right from the top. We'll see what happens in the
See?
next couple of minutes. Yeah.
Yeah. And do you also notice that this is what do you call it? This is not a regular candle.
Right. Oh.
This is a Kinashi candle.
Oh, is it? I don't know Heikenashi's. I'm not. I've never used them. I mean, I've
Yeah,
heard of them. I just never used them.
but the thing is this. I don't use Ekinashi too, but guess what? I watch here and I
Mhm.
take my trade on regular account. I take my trades on regular account on Ninja Trader,
Yeah,
but I use this as a reference. Can you just see what happened here?
I can. I love that.
You see?
That's
So
nuts.
even though the metrics can tell you when to get into a trade,
Hmm.
the Fibonacci, as I've infused it into it,
Hmm.
can tell you when to get out.
So if this continues down, you're probably going to see a shift from from green to red. You'll probably get a sell signal, and that would be a viable sell signal because it hit that top of that. That fib.
Ye- well, you might want to say that. You get what I'm saying? But what I'm saying is, for me, if the market does this, right,
Hmm.
and this,
Hmm.
I'm sorry, I don't want to know what happens next.
Well, nobody knows what's going to happen next. But what I'm
No, I
saying
mean,
is,
I'm already out of the market. I'm
right?
done.
Yeah. Now, if you should see this pattern during your trading window, right?
Yes.
If you, because you're already your EMA is already red, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you see that shift to the red and you see a sell signal, you come off of that fib level,
Hmm.
and it's during a trading session. Is this enough of a level for you to say I'm going to take that short?
No.
No,
The
because you
reason
don't have one of your levels.
the reason, yeah, I don't have one of my levels.
Okay.
So the only way I could, the reason is because you see, for the market to make a move like this,
Mhm.
480, 483 all the way to
120 points.
617,
140 points almost.
whatever happened here,
Yeah.
should be considered a pullback,
Okay.
not what do you call it? Not a sell signal.
I'm with you. Okay. Okay.
It's gonna take a little bit of selling
Yeah.
for you to consider it a reversal.
Okay.
But if you are what do you call it, a scalper, and you are trying to scalp the top of this level,
Mhm.
the 617, and the market is already at 604, right?
Mhm.
I have a friend that does this. He scalp the top like this and get his 10 points. I don't do
Right.
that. I'll rather wait. This is a pullback. So
Right.
right now, if I want to buy now, I'm going to wait for it to come down to the middle. You see the middle of this box?
Mhm.
That's where my buy is going to be.
Right.
So until market gets out of this box, I'm not going to look for anything sell.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So this box right here
Mhm.
is my levels.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So if anything happens, market goes down, the EMA is still red, background shift red, we get a sell signal, we come below this level.
Mhm.
I wait for a retest,
Mhm.
and then we'll come all the way down. And then
So
by
you're going to
then, I
treat.
know we are forming a new low.
Mhm.
You can see the background is changing red, right?
Mhm.
Good. So I'm still going to wait
Mhm.
for a sell signal.
You're
We
not
have
going
to
to
come.
trade within that range, but you're going to use that as one of your levels now, like the other levels.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Because right here, even though the background shifted red,
Mhm.
this is still red. You might get a sell signal
But you're in
because the
range.
market because the market has gone all the way. They might quickly flip this back,
Right.
like what they did here. Do you see this?
Yeah. Exactly.
They flip it. They do it into green. If someone sees this and go long, you know what's going to happen?
They're toast.
They quickly flip it back into red, and then the market continues selling.
Right.
Yeah. So this might just be profit taking
Right. Exactly.
that can be flipped back. See, now we have a sell signal, right? Now we have a sell signal.
Mhm.
I'm not going to take this.
Right.
I'm going to wait for it to come all the way down here,
Mhm.
give me a retest, and
A
then
retest to the middle or a retest to the edge?
a retest of the middle.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
If it doesn't, I'll leave it,
Yeah. Yeah.
you know. But if you're in a long right here,
Mhm.
and the market is telling you now that there is a market shift, you know what you're going to do with your long. So the
Maybe guys.
long trade, the long trade that I'm in right now,
Mhm.
I'm closing out of that trade, and that's it for the day.
Mhm.
Because the market already paused. This is pause in the market.
Mhm.
That's it. So
Yeah.
right here we have what we call this box right here is part of the matrix.
Mhm.
This is the 1 minute, the 2 minutes, and the 5 minutes.
Mhm.
So this is the average true range of the market. And the 1 minute is 9.3, 12 on the 2 minutes, 16.3 on the. So this gives you background profit wave money flow.
Mhm.
You understand? So right now, the market is shifting. The market has completely shifted bearish on the 1 minute.
Mhm.
It's still bearish, on the 2 minutes, we still have some buying.
Right.
On the 3 minutes, on the 5 minutes, the market is still very bullish.
Right.
So you have to wait for all this to kind of match.
Sure.
That's why I said I'm going to wait for the selling to continue all the way down, get back up, and then by then, see, all this will be red.
Right. Okay.
But right now, the fact that this here is still bullish, I'm seeing this as just a profit-taking process
Right.
that will still continue the momentum to the upside.
And you can already see the 2 minute starting. The 2 minute is just an undecided. It keeps
See?
going back and forth.
Yeah. The 1 minute, is showing. I actually did this. My red candle, I was the one that made it look white. So you can actually change this to red, green.
Sure.
Yeah, but I was the one that changed it to white, gold.
Got it.
Yeah.
Cool.
See? And that's exactly what is going on now. You see, the market is trying to reverse.
Right.
Back to the upside. So for those who just, the background and everything has changed, you go into a sell. Like, oh, the system doesn't work. No. That's what I keep telling people. You need what I call price action, the knowledge of price action.
Yeah, you need to understand, the fundamentals.
Yes. These can only guide you. Your experience in price action is what's going to give you an edge.
Sure.
And you can see what they just did. They came back to the middle box. See, exactly. It wasn't, see, it came back in here, test the middle box. And you can see what the market did.
Bounced.
So if you have your buy, that's why I said I didn't want to go into sell. If you have a buy at the middle of the box, that's a retest.
Yeah.
You'll barely see a red in this trade because it's the same wick that came down, but the same wick that took you back up.
Yeah.
See? And right in our eyes, if the market is going to go back up, you see the background is going to change in green, and then we'll continue the move. Yeah. So each of these systems can work on their own.
Right. So when you have everything together that sort of cleans up and gives confluence.
Yes, because I'm used to trading with multiple screens.
Right. I mean, so I've got 5 screens set up for my setup.
Yeah. So if I have all this on the screen, whichever screen I'm focused on, I'm not losing anything.
Sure.
Yeah. So
that's great.
That's what I trade. When I show people this, it doesn't make sense to them. It's like it's simple, I know, how can you say it's just this? I've gone the hard way.
Yeah.
Where I have something that looks like a cobweb.
Yeah.
On my screen.
Sure. Oh yeah.
And then with time, I kind of filter the system, then I start having,
filter down to the things that work for you. Yeah.
You see this line right here? This line right here?
Yeah.
Let me show you how I got those lines. Do you still see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go. Let me open a new layout. What is this? I'm trying to. Okay, I'm trying to use something. Okay, create a new layout. Okay. Oh no. Okay, let me do this. Let me delete. Open layouts. Let me take this out. So that way I could create.
Okay.
That way I could create a new layout. Create a new layout. Okay. Test. Okay. This is a new. This is a new. Okay, let me take this out. remove. I'm trying to get a new. Okay, I can use this like this. Let me use it like this. So this is how I get my demand and supply level.
Hmm.
Yes. So those lines that you see there,
Hmm.
they are demand and supply level lines. So what I do is I try to go all the way back.
Hmm.
It's a lot of job. It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
I only do it once.
Mhm.
Those lines right there, they've been there for over a year.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Once I do it, I don't touch them.
Hmm.
So this is the daily level, right? Come all the way. Okay, let me just do from. So what I'm looking for is minimum of 5, what I call minimum of 5. Oh, order field, that's the stop. The stop
Oh,
has been triggered for that. The market
okay.
is selling. You see, the market started selling as
Right.
soon as it touched the let me see what we have on the market metrics. Okay, let me save this market metrics. This is crazy. This is crazy. Did you see what happened?
Hmm.
The top of the box?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it. It's
So right
done.
now, the structure of the market is kind of, still shifting. As long as we're still in this box,
Yeah.
I still want to see what's going to happen.
Sure.
But if you shut the top of this box, you see what just happened.
Yeah.
Boom. And right now, there is a sort of consolidation around here before
Right.
the movement to the upside. So you will be expecting some reaction
Mhm.
at the bottom of this box.
Yeah.
So if I'm in a short, for example, I guess I'll have to take my profit somewhere here.
Mhm.
Yeah. And this is 617 all the way down to 562. That's 38 plus 17. That's
Mhm.
over 50 points.
Yeah.
See the reaction, the consolidation right here,
Mhm.
plus the bottom of the box
Right.
is what gives me a clue that the market will likely reverse
Mhm.
at this level.
Because we've already seen consolidation there. It's already
We've,
shown.
we've, we've, we've already seen consolidation here. And that's exactly what is happening here. So that's what I tell people. You have to invest time in learning price action.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
You know, if you watch it, you see the volume started, the selling volume goes all the way up and then it's coming down. We had a buy, then turn. You see, right
Mhm.
here, you see the volume changing green, red.
Yeah.
That's like a buyer seller kind of, you
Indecision.
know, fighting it out.
Yep.
See? And then the volume eventually peaks green. So right here, the market is trying to find its way back up. So let me go.
Right there, almost at the bottom.
Yeah, yeah. So, but the thing I tell people is if you get it right from the first 2 hours of the market, you don't want to know what the market is doing later, man. You're gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gone from the market. Yeah. This right here can create 6, 7, 8, 10 opportunities in a day.
Yeah. Just in that 2 hour window.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And if you take the best two opportunities, You are done for the day.
Yeah.
If I want